Abusanfo, Adwenkyerɛ it's only in the Ghanaian community. Ena, wodi ade beye obi. Na nipa no, na ni nye ho. Na obe voice out. Na no so ebenya nipa bi no ma be gina ho. Asan be blast nipa na wodi ade na ye no na ni anye ho no. Hey, Ghana fo. Ye nsuban bi wo ho a na meka se Ghana fo bi no ye nsuban bi wo ho a ya aginsem. Hwɛ, Maami Agrada Adwenkyerɛ se maami ne ye no kwafo a ma share the video so many occasions, so many times. Or any show, no talking point to show. Men time maami no cry. Some time ago cry no me reach out. Senka me pe no cry interview no. Me ni bibia against the woman. But I dear me huni say no. Or to me show. Discuss bibia should be a freely. But say bibi question yet now can be pet. Not as a time maami no. And no me problem one. Adenti na yen Ghanaians no so obi ye bibi na enye na se ono betimi a voice out aka nipa kro na nima na se aka sem ni bi a kire na adwen na emom no ono no ye bibi na sanko yie na obi be kire na adwen dia na nipa kro no wono de woye otamfo ana otan maame no ho ne me problem na nyame anim ne no kre entokwa ne niam a ekoso social media so yi mani tua ne nyina me meka bi da me pese me ba beka bi nso to be honest adie masa asem we say me beka bi eye unbreakable Joyce Blessing. The lady is very respectful. Say nyina ka say mind back eniema sa lady we nkrofo di na go through no a me amete hey enkasa mic e koji free ne nsam o stage say me a ho asotro nka me yi sa lady no ka me so o twahwe o stage no so a wonti me kra sorry but eniema bebre na girly nkrofo di aye na yeah why show any kind of disrespectful behavior bia enti edru baby a aya momien steady ade kakra what I say see ebeka no krepa onyame anim se ya repent evangelist dia eni momien ka se mind back eniema na Agrada de di Joyce Blessing e woni TV so ni nyina girl ya meka one word onya no da onka hwe da enti se ne se Maami Agrada ye flyer na so watimi de Joyce Blessing ato flyer no so without informing her, without contacting her, and not just say yeah somebody we are see we just say this is shameful, disgraceful, and just stupidity. Because me dream maybe who am say how can say we beka say we flyer no be atina say design ade na say for pictures e bush. Without even asking them, say, oh sister, many junior ho. Nana Agrada minimpa so the Joyce Blessing and yum dear saw lady num. Years ago, no penasa, but let me say, girl, no, our remus and some by in a mamma, a dog or my lady, I fade out to, I don't know. But how so will be at say? I design flyer. Now I don't crawl for pictures a gusso. Nasa for na don't pictures a gusso. Obi o kura bi kura woni o manum o tukwan ana bi kura wo yare enti ni sabana sa de na je say wo de nkrofo pictures no e gu flyer no so e de attracting nkrofo e de etu ho keke na je say just to deceive the public sana me hu no ana say deceive your fans because Joyce it me ba bontin be ka say me ni woni agreement can say agreement bi a say wo de me picture beto flyer so me ni wonya adamfo me nim hwe fa say wo de me picture ato o flyer so no enti yi me picture through flyer so a minianum it's a big disgrace, very big disgrace. We bet me aka so a promo 2 show no a promo 2 whatever but still it's a disgrace. Mommy anka no kre it's a disgrace pa enti me de ade ba ko ha me Adwenkyerɛ di mpesa me kyerɛ madwen wasem we hu ne say Sadia ha Joyce Blessing na ono ani image eye ne picture and the picture na wo de ato flyer no so no and also will tell the relationship between you and the lady into one person will no be yet ebenya adamfo fa bia enu nti no aba bonten say yi me picture free why there so because me ni woni twaka bia enti enu nti no picture na ono an picture o enye se bia obi picture bi and obeka ho ase ono akasa ni image enti wo every right so obeka kire maame say take my picture off your flyer. But at the end of the day, ye nyankrofo bi no mabetena se blasige didi na tamucha sami e ka che ni so onye obi a ne ho nkro no ba. Se onye obi a de a wonim so onye obi a why do you put her picture on your flyer? Why? So Nyobia, she's not worth it. People don't like her. She's nobody in Ghana. Then why do you have to put her picture on your flyer? Now do no flyer so. It's simple as that. And the Ghana for you, Missy and Kano Cray. Yen Suba be nice. Yamianimini. Yen Suba be nice. Meaning, sir, Mamma Grada was so many young men who did a cheer or Mubuan one in Yama or him. Minianum, won't you, mamma, for what? So mutuno function won't change, so I'm not penny for being mutuno for. Sentence answer, I made my advice a crack, you tell me, the mamma ranty, I would did Nana Grada, Enoch, specially. Enoch, me no Akasada. I'm very disappointed at you. Enoch. I'm very, 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 very disappointed at you. Hey, me wa babe mwani age tisa u Enokwa. Na uko school do baby a boys a mo Ghana ya na mo wo efie education no mo sa wo nyansa. So what I say, mo sa wo chese efie nyansa mo wo school education se kan se mo sa wo fie nyansa. Enti Enok tan bia me hu wa ya na I picture you as my own son. Me no wakasa one day on the phone and you were so nice. You and I had a very nice conversation. What I say? Now, in fact, Enoch, who probably the most important person I me, me very disappointed at her. Because I said they work school. Yes, work law school. Me who say Ghana, so what's na when you need to woo fear Yansanoa. And come with the Nanti did another day in a Chunchanya, woo Enoch, only the most important person. Was say, woo, what me jebi be the boama, meno. Hey? On my opinion, Anagrada na kasa akan wa bontin so many occasions in na make say wan ko school enrichiri. Enu memblemu no nipa bebre na ko school enrichiri e wo Ghana. Enti nyi wono kwanti enye nwanwa. But wo your ba na ni edin me ade amani gi wo maame no ho ne say wo ye fighter. Na ni edin ye wo fie bi wo ha ofiri mu a ho kyere ene che say ohia bubro but we fighting way out. So ye in the wrong way so ye in the right way. Ye mfa ne say we fighting way out na ni edin. So what I say, ain't here nano, dear mammy na druno. Me fan say social media no so no. Mammy ways me sure my man the best free in the 50s air na se bia almost 50. Nani fi social media no beto no kwam to onye too familiar with a lot of things. Mo na mo kire no. On the other hand no so education level no enru mum rant e bi no mamudi na chi. So what I say, and there are so many things I'm lacking in life. E was social media so. And niam bebre wo ho a Enoch, Muna was almost sitting it down. I'm say, Mama, yeah, I'm finding this channel. Yes, Joyce Blessing, you used to like her. Now, when you are down for now, penasa more, now penny more, no, timber to you, be asema wo. Say, no one, some I could take a fan who TV news in the be a new job. And to me, I'm contacted Joyce. Na yanshe, so beba, ye show Nasia. Na enokrano yenye some kind of reunion bi na ye mama saying who say at least we bufu no can some crowd dia chew won so dia che na we ye abode foforo enti no ma squash mu beef no kada will be wonderful ka oni Joyce betimi ahye na nka wa frɛ no na wo de na kasa na ma plan bibi na ma ya as surprise some kind of ayibi na ma ya enka chesa at the end of the day nkrofo bekasa wow Nana Grada was a sampa. Joyce Blessing was a very forgiving lady. But the way I'm far, when we see the lady picture got to fly as she. I'm a Joyce, what I say, woman voice out. One sound kind of cast a bunch of name. What do you know, Mamma, no much more radio, so my motive is in 1 minute. But then, or just idea where I'm ya, she can't take it anymore. And she just have to voice out. Now, voice it out to ya, we have a brand new, so on so bad, and I say about disrespecting a bit dinatem. I then. Mo can get a casabwash your woman voice it out. And if you do baby no be our dear net voice it out and a bema won't casan. What me who say, why you free? I then I want it again, sir. What bonasum will see soon? What the Jackson will send him? Sana mode lady no. It's enough. Enough is enough. Enoch, I'm very, very disappointed at you. Wupan, I'm here disappointed. Me who is an Anagrada husband. He's a very nice young man. I will worry mommy. And come who is a man who education more than the lady. Nanyanku ponso the bema to way in film pade na the ball benti. And come make us a mammy no bit in your brain who wants to papa. Na papa na leading on aqua guiding one year maybe. But me who is a bia. Na mammy no man who can and manikuno no enshaneso. Ebi no be one of the problem. And think mom ranche ya mo abontin ya oni mu move kobo oni mu di ase. And ka wo Enoch especially me picture as my own son bia. ase wako school aduru baby ate se wo na se bi nka me o ma me panin ka bi a me ye illiterate and ase man ko school anu akiri a ka me look up to niam tinkiti bi mo be guide me se ma me nye se yese ti na grada na ebi kura na koma mu no wa fa o te se ne ba ebi ase bi o ma de na nso no ne ma ne ntimi ntia na o mutimi nka bibi nkire na wo Enoch no ma me na fa o te se ne ba. Brother Enoch, I'm very disappointed at you. Please get up for the woman. This is not fair. This is disgraceful. Mama, me ni mu gu asedodo. Me ni se mo benya mo ani bia mo ma bedi matem. It's okay. This is my first time mama kana na grad asem. Eju de mo fa fake account ni me di matem video ya say that's fine. But me kind of cry chilemo. So what Enoch especially, I'm very highly disappointed at you. And him go say me agentele di me show social media issue nyina one at a time. Ma me ko jina closet mu ko show Gucci and Kabani one sa anya mane mo ye fine is too shameful. Oh my goodness. Me nyanum. Hwe se ma me no hwe ne dibia na waduru no. Me no me ni Ghana hobby. Me man na so ye da. Ti me nim say your friend is saying, Wabu obi and what ye ye will move in what ye you be am evidence. I be mama Gia to say yes, Wabu obi. But in the near me also social media show kekano. Or no one is some more than no keka social media show day, and they may aware of it. And they may win na. Me mafia will be me do be passport to to be one is animal na so at us. Nenya me and no cre. A be wa ya. Na wotena sidi no akọ school na woni mra na woni abie wa brabo mu watimi say this woman, this is not fair. Minianom ebi nye fair. Mamu disgrace ma me ne sa enye o. Hwe yemfa ne sese bi wono kra na wo ye oba na ni so wo hye tutu asem ne niam bi a eduru ba bi a momfa sabi de munye free ne ho no nto nchen kakra na mo man advice mama we there, this is not the right way to do it. Yenye ni say Joyce nanka open asempa. Joyce ya wo ese open asempa. Enti yem frɛ no yema obi in contact no. Sa apology keto bi kra mo fen koma no mo ne squash bibia backstage. Enti sa de Thanksgiving ya mo so mo be yeduru ho a. Na se Joyce ba it's a surprise to everybody. Na at the end of the day no, mo ne Joyce akambo ma tuntum nyame na nwum a wo de abeba new fan ya me kra mdi bi atoso adwinchire show hey. Mo di mabobo bi na mo have fun. Life is short. You guys have to have fun with one another. But mama, enemy new mama, this is not fair. This is not fair. It's not. The way I get away say, I didn't have an voice out to power, motimia samo, be a bit na hosan be digger and atom. In fact, a video I'm share on Facebook or my very disappointed. Say and it's you be her lady yet more voice out to home. To on the one time another beer no the person with the end be a mufenya no dia and you're right. Banana grada, trust me, I didn't say lady, I like you so much. Me po bi anani so ohye me ma ye man ko ases me ni me sister penny back ye me enu ni ani so ohye wom. To be honest with you, I may look boring or quiet for you, but me suban ye kura me no se me nya nyi na di nkire wo a e mo adwenya wo se me ye quiet enti enu nti no ama wo no me ni je wo ho wo enema nkitinkiti bi ho pa. To be honest with you, you may not believe me but I do. Banana with decisions no niema bi wo ho a wo ja. It's not right and fatal and fatal. What I say we want go school cry in the position where bedroom no we rubber. And we say we behave as such. And ye maybe or enye ade we ya with the two flyer so I be picture the two flyer so what me about bonti abe voice at one minute da say obi a we na to flyer no so bia no so one contact no cry one minute da so obetimi aba bonti abe voice out am oni magu ase. And you know who cares, let's just put them there. Just to deceive the public. But at the end of the day, one will say the Joyce idea before, I voice it out. In a nice way, or voice it out when they do be at him in a very nice way. But at the end of the day, it's shameful and disgraceful. Whether you believe it or not. So Obeka say you promote to one then you it's a disgrace. It's very a disgrace. Aden. And in the meaning ben my friend is saying, Enoch. When I may target 2 year power this issue, me power chow. Me who say na grada up wasem. Me who say ma no or look up to you in so many things to help. Me sorry jina mama me kakrawate. And yet more disgracing you too much. And yet nice. Position now what do no. Some so evangelist. Fine. It's okay. But repent or so evangelist yate. Momo no na o make good choices and right choices. because this thing is party. Now, I said she's still in her notorious behavior, no, deceiving behavior. No. I said, or that's who. Because all the big picture to flyer so now I'm on a money with him so inviting baby I won't contacting and nothing. Not to say you were deceiving your friend is saying your fans. What I say now you were disrespecting the lady as well. And you know what could school enough you are raised from the scratch Ghana. And you wouldn't will fear manners. It is a mamma crana, Sabi, and you saw she and I said, maybe or why. One should then pay attention to her, or your bad time will crank and maybe or bia, one should then pay attention to her. Montrana Mamma Mamma, no, because they're more and you're nice. More good mamma who think. Now, this particular thing, dear, to me, no, I'm very disappointed and it's very shameful to all of you, honestly. Madam, I didn't share lady.